clearly to be tracking everything to do with the phase 6 of the Lok Sabha polls. But we're also focusing on another factor that could really probably hamper the turnout that we'll, of course, know in due course of time because of the fact that voters in Delhi and Haryana must prepare themselves for the heat wave, with temperatures expected to reach up to 44 degrees Celsius. Let's tell you that the IMD has forecasted severe heat wave conditions for Delhi, resulting in a red alert for the national capital. Authorities, of course, have advised voters to stay hydrated and take all necessary precautions while heading out to cast their vote. Nikhil, my colleague, joins me for more. In fact, he's been one of our reporters who's continuously been on the ground despite the glaring temperatures that is. But will this have an implication in terms of the voter turnout? That is something that Nikhil would be able to draw better perspective on. Nikhil, having said that, we have seen in many of the cities, in fact, in the first 5 phases, that the temperatures, no matter where we're talking about, essentially across the country, did see a little bit of a slower voter turnout, considering the temperatures haven't been in one's favor. Do you think this would have an implication in the national capital as well today?
Nivedna, temperature is one of the reasons as to why the voter turnout is relatively low. If you talk about the details in number, so far till 9 a.m. the voter turnout has been 8.09% as far as the capital city is concerned. And also to further give you the detail about the temperature in the capital city, yesterday it was recorded about 42.5 degrees Celsius, and today as well it is likely to revolve around 43 to 44 degree only. And this is the reason why people are unable to step out of their houses, although the directions and the advisory has already been out in this particular context. But we need to see as to how much the voter turnout is going to be at the end once the entire process is completed by evening today. But surely it is one of the major factor. In fact, in the previous segments as well, previous phases as well, last 5 phases, if we talk about the detail and number, one of the key reason as to why the voter turnout was relatively low, it is because of the temperature which is currently prevailing across the part of the NCR city. It is not just about the northwestern region, but there are other places as well which are equally impacted because of the same, either UP, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP, or Goa for that matter. So all of these are the places which are severely impacted with the heat waves. There is already an advisory which has come out from the side of the IMD department, where they have said that 5 to 7 days are going to be very much crucial, and severe to very severe heat wave is going to prevail during this particular time, and there is no respite as well. So as you have rightly mentioned, this is clear-cut going to make another reason as to why the voters are reluctant to come out of their houses and to cast their vote.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for getting us a quick overall sense. And you also stay hydrated in terms of the fact that how the glaring conditions are. But Karishma, my colleague, joins me from Gurugram. I do understand Amandeep, my colleague, is also joining me from Ambala. I will go to Amandeep. He's with Khali, wrestler Khali. Let's find out from him in terms of the political scenario, what he's making of it. Amandeep, over to you.
Well, absolutely. The great Khali is with me, and we have spotted him in Ambala. So, Khali ji, today you are here, and the 6th phase of polling in which Haryana is also involved. कैसे देखते हैं आप इसको?
बिल्कुल, मैं सभी को कोई बताना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग घर से बाहर निकलिए। मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन मतलब फिर भी मतलब ये एक दिन है, अगर आप आज गलत जगह वोट डाला या घर से बाहर ना निकले तो फिर 5 साल आप पछताएंगे फिर। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग घर से बाहर निकलिए, और एक दिन की बात है, और जो आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लिए काम कर सकता है, आपकी आवाज उठा सकता है संसद पर, उसके हक पर वोट डालिए आप।
पोलिंग बूथ पे अभी जो सुबह के समय से लाइन कम दिख रही है गर्मी की वजह से, तो वोटर्स को कुछ मोटिवेट करने की जरूरत है। तो खली अपने स्टाइल में भी मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल दोस्तों, जो गर्मी से डर गया वो मर गया। तो आपने बिल्कुल डरना नहीं गर्मी से, और आपने मतलब बढ़ चढ़ के वोट डाल दिए।
So, in fact, you can listen that Khali has motivated the voters to come out of their houses in this extreme weather and cast their votes for the next 5 years. So this is a kind of motivation he has given to the voters. So in fact, even we have seen that very less number of voters are coming out even in the morning also, just because of extreme weather, just because of this heat wave as well. But in the mid of that, Khali's message may give a great impact to the people and to the voters also. Yes.
Right, Amandeep. In fact, if pun intended, one would have to say it. Long story short, he has told why people should come out and vote. And Khali ke Karishma ke baad, Karishma ke paas jate hain, because Karishma, my colleague, is reporting from Gurugram. So let's find out from her in terms of the implications of the heat. Karishma, first of all, we appreciate the fact that despite the glaring heat, not just you, all our colleagues are out there, reporting in this heat for us to get us a quick sense of, politically speaking, how this is panning out for voters too. What should we know about the given situation, considering, of course, summer in the Delhi NCR region is never like a good story, but this time around the numbers have been far more. Would we see the implications on the same in terms of the voter turnout, Karishma?
Well, Nivedana, the heat wave could have an impact on the voter turnout when the final tally comes out. As far as we talk about Gurgaon, the temperature at this moment is between 37 and 38, and it is expected to go up till about 44 degrees. And the queue that we saw in the morning, that has, of course, reduced right now, but the people are still coming in. People are still doing their duty. You can see here people are also taking their selfies as well. When we talk about, it says, I'm a proud voter. So people are coming in to vote, but yes, the amount has reduced significantly since it was in the morning. But one thing that I'd like to mention here is what I am observing here is that a lot of senior citizens are coming out in large numbers to vote. They came out first thing in the morning, starting 6:45 a.m. and even at this time when it is very, very hot, they are coming out in large numbers here to cast their vote, to do their duty, to exercise their right. And I would, like to speak to them as well and ask them, what are the issues that you're going to keep in mind when you vote, ma'am? Yes, after that picture, what are the issues that you're going to be keeping in mind? It is also very, very hot, but you still managed to come and vote as well.
My responsibility.
People's responsibility to come out and vote is what she is saying here. So that is very, very good to hear that in spite of the heat wave, people are choosing in to come here and vote. You can see senior citizens again coming in and voting. I will try and speak to them. They are going in for vote at this moment, but like I said, they are coming in to vote in large numbers. Ma'am, if I can stop you and speak to you. So it is very, very hot, but you're still managing to come and...
It's not hot.
It's not hot at all?
Not at all.
It is our responsibility?
Yes, absolutely.
What are the issues that you're looking at, sir, when you are going to vote? What do you think is going to be the major driving force for you as far as your constituency?
Of the country, in every respect, which we are seeing for past 10 years, and we hope it will continue.
Continue. So this is what voters here are feeling, that it is not hot at all, it is though, and that it is their duty and responsibility to come out in large numbers and vote. So hopefully we see a large voter turnout in Delhi, in Gurgaon.
Right, Karishma, only you would know how hot it is, considering you have been continuously reporting for us. In fact, I just want to take a quick point to you with the fact that Amandeep was in conversation with the wrestler, Great Khali, and he was giving motivation, and you did mention that we may hope that Virat Kohli might come, considering that constituency for him to vote. Maybe that would be another motivation, Karishma? And you might not feel the heat that much then.
Well, yes, absolutely. He stays in... He just stays right behind the school where I'm standing. But what we're hearing is that he may not also come, because remember, the Indian team is slated to leave for the United States of America and West Indies tonight at 10 p.m. where India is, of course, going to play in the T20 World Cup. So we still do not have confirmation whether he's going to come or not, because in 2019, when Virat Kohli had come to this particular school to cast his vote, it was between 7 to 8 a.m. in the morning. That hasn't happened, so there's no confirmation. But yes, if that were to happen, it would have been interesting, because when I came here in the morning, there were a lot of young boys who had given their vote, but they were still, lingering
Yes.
around this area because they were hoping that they can get a glimpse of Virat Kohli, maybe get a picture with him, because they were following up from the fact that in 2019 he came early morning. So hopefully he'll do the same, but that hasn't happened.
To do that. Right. So, on a lighter note, there is no cup. There is no picture for these youngsters probably as well. But we leave it at that for the moment, Karishma. Thank you very much for telling us essentially about how the voter turnout would have an impact considering how hot it is.